told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my new vlog. Today is May 31, 2022, Tuesday. At ngayong araw ay naka-schedule kong turuan ang mga pupils ko under face-to-face modality. For the information of everyone, twice lang po ako magturo every week. That is every Tuesday and Thursday. Every Monday and Wednesday naman ay modular modality lahat ng aking pupils. That is also the time when I check pupils' output, make PowerPoint presentation, and print or sort answer sheets to be given the next week. As usual, every time na may turo tayo, kailangang maaga tayong pumasok. Hindi pwedeng mas mauna pa ang mga mag-aaral kaysa sa atin. And of course, pagpasok sa room ay kailangang buksan ng mga ilaw at mga bintana. After that, sineset up ko na ang projector na aking gagamitin sa klase. Pagdating ng mga mag-aaral ay chinecheck ang kanilang temperature bago pumasok. At exactly 7:15 a.m. ay sinisimulan na namin ang mga preliminaries. Prayer, national anthem, panunumpa at pag-eehersisyo.
Ayan, si Ethan din po nakakuha ng 5. Bigyan siya ng malakas na good job lang. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, good job. Next po, kuha din ng 5. Bigyan siya ng mahusay lang. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, mahusay, mahusay, mahusay. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, ang galing-galing mo. Next. Our cat, my dog.
Ngayong nakabalik na ang mga mag-aaral sa paaralan ay nagfo-focus din kaming mga guro sa pagpapabasa. Since may mga struggling readers pa kami ay back to basic muna. Sounding letters at pagpapantig. Para naman sa mga marurunong na ay nakafocus kami sa mga CVC, basic sight words, phrases at sentences.
That's it everyone. Thank you for watching this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Teacher Michael TV. Road to 40k subscribers na po tayo. And don't forget to support me also sa aking TikTok at Facebook page, Sir Michael. Bye-bye and see you in my next video.